Let's explore how movement can transform your presentations from static to compelling. It's fascinating how something as simple as how you move through space can dramatically impact your message's effectiveness. In presentations, there's no such thing as a neutral movement. Every step you take while presenting either adds to your message or takes away from it. There's no middle ground. And let's face it, we've all sat through presentations where speakers have paced nervously backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. It's not the most engaging experience, right? Let me share some really effective techniques that I know will help you command your speaking space with confidence. Okay, first up, and this one's really quite important. Make sure everyone can actually see you. It sounds really obvious, I know, but when we're focused on our message, it's easy to forget about those folks sitting on the sides. When you're getting to an important point, try walking towards your audience. It naturally draws them in, like you're sharing something special. Just remember to ease back to center afterwards. We want to keep everyone comfortable, especially that front row. Want to try something really clever? Think of your speaking area as a map of your key points. Let's say you're presenting quarterly results. Start on one side for past performance, move to center for where we are now, and finish on the other side for where we're headed. 3 spots, 3 clear points, simple but effective. Or just move purposefully to a new spot when you're changing topics. The key here is confidence, no tentative steps or apologetic shuffling. Walk like you mean it. And here's a small but powerful tip. Start and end in the same spot, in the center. It's like putting a nice frame around your presentation. Plus, it keeps you perfectly positioned to connect with everyone in the room. Remember, we're not trying to create some kind of choreographed performance here. It's about using movement naturally and purposefully to keep your audience engaged and your message clear. Trust me, once you get comfortable with this, you'll wonder how you ever presented standing still. You got this.